Top tips for looking professional on Zoom calls. In today's virtual world, looking professional on camera is more important than ever. Maybe it's a client meeting, maybe it's a team presentation, maybe it's an interview. Showing up on camera professionally can make all the difference. You wouldn't walk into an in-person meeting in your pajamas, would you? Would you? Let's fix that. Tip number 1 is to get your lighting together. Good lighting is essential. Position yourself facing a window or just use a light. Get some light on your face. You already have enough to think about in getting your information across the internet to the other person. Don't make it hard for them to see your face. Tip number 2 is to adjust your camera angle. Nobody wants to look up your nose. We don't want to see it. We don't want to look up your nose. Elevate your camera up to eye level. This camera that I have right now is completely eye level with me, if not a little bit up and facing down. Just a little bit. Even if you're not using a studio setup like this and you're just using the camera on your MacBook, just stack it up on some books. Tip number 3 is to set up a clean background. No excuses. Even if it's laundry day, get it out of the shot. Off camera, I don't care what it looks like off camera, but on camera, you can just make it look great. Tip number 4 is to dress the part. At least the part that's on camera. Just because you're at home and you want to be comfy does not mean you need to show up to a meeting in your bathrobe. Not only are you going to look good, this is going to help you feel more confident on camera and thus present better and show up better and just be better. Usually when I'm filming my content, I still will put on real pants and I will put on real shoes that I wear just inside. And that helps me get in the mindset. No, I am here to work. Tip number 5 is to invest in quality audio. You could look great on camera, but if we can't hear you, what's the point? Audio quality is just as important as the video quality. I would even argue that the audio quality is more important than the video quality, because as long as your video looks good, the frame is clean, you look nice, we can see you clearly, we've got those basics under control. If we can hear you even better than we could through the laptop, through the computer microphone, the better your message is going to be literally heard on the other side. The next time you're on a Zoom call, keep these tips in mind, and you can also use Ecamm with Zoom to be even better. You could be on these meetings and people will be like, what? How did they do that? With these simple tips and Ecamm by your side, you are ready to leave a lasting impression on your next Zoom call.